Ghana is not a broke country. It's just that we don't know where to put our money. You understand? There are people who really need just small help. That help I got, that 10,000, I'm looking to see how many people. But people are not disciplined. You create a business for somebody, the person is making profit. At the end of the day, he made about 900,000 Ghana cedis. That's $90,000. The person is going to enjoy the money. But in my discipline, I'm expecting that the person will put the money back into the business. You know, it's a discipline. Ghanaians can be good business people, but the problem is just the discipline.
His Excellency High Commission, Ghana High Commission West South Africa, Benjamin Kwashi, and Foreign Affairs Minister Honorable Samiru Kujetu Abrakwa, Omo 100 million Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, Ghana Nyankopon, Minyaka Samsung Nyankopon, Indonesia na Papa na Mama Juma, and then ye Juma kwa Juma Kasanka say ye Juma, Bebwami. Nti meka chimi nyanam Ghana fo mu wiasa fananya se mumrefi ne fie na yenye Ghana yi wodum de ma me waye me distributor we be distribute cements ama customers na me ye selu modwuma nyanga na me ye mowre ene eyelashes enhira no o man kwatenten o man adwen papa wa nya afa me ho no nya bi ma afoforo o man nyuma nyina nkoso tire be ya obi nya sika de bebere di abo afoforo aka yankopon nkyira ne pii.